phonics here. I'm going to show you the next set of sounds and how we form them. So now we're going to look at k. And can you see it has a caterpillar, a nice curly caterpillar. So we're going to start at the caterpillar's head. And we're going to go curl around the caterpillar. This one's nice and easy. You have a try at home. Let's try again together. So start at the caterpillar's head and go curl around the caterpillar. K. That's nice and easy. Well done. The next one we're going to try is k. This is your kicking k. Can you see the kicking kangaroo? Okay, we're going to start at his head. And we're going to start at his head and we're going to draw right down to his toes. So start at the top, we're going to go straight down to his toes, stop. Then we're going to draw his tail and draw his leg. Should we try again together? Start at the top, down the kangaroo's body, draw his tail and draw his leg. You try at home. We have this sound. Ah. Ah is for umbrella. Can you see the umbrella? Have you noticed there's a bit of a puddle here? That's really important. Let's have a look. So we're going to start over here and we're going to go down and under the umbrella, up to the top, down, draw the puddle. You have a try at home. Let's try again together. Start here at the top, we're going to go down, under, up to the top, down, draw the puddle. You have a try. Our next sound is b, b for boot. Can you see this really tall, long boot? Let's have a try of writing b. So we're going to start at the top of the boot. We're going to go all the way down to the heel and then we're going to go up, 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 around the boot, back to the heel. Let's try again. Start at the top. We're going to go down past all the laces, up, up, up from the heel, around the toes. B. You have a try at home. And our last sound for today is for flower. So we are going to start at the top and we're going to go down the stem, stop, then draw the leaves. You have a try. Let's do it together. Start at the top, going to curl it down the stem, stop, draw the leaves. You have a try. Now again, if you haven't got any pens and papers at home, you can always try the sensory approach. Today, I'm going to show you some couscous that you might have in your cupboard, or you might have some baby conditioner. Let's have a try at doing k in the couscous. Start at the top, curl it round the caterpillar. K. Shake it and have another go. Next, we're going to try the baby conditioner or the lotion. We're going to try up. We're going to go down the umbrella, under, up, down, draw the puddle. This one will get you lovely and messy. Enjoy. Bye.